Hello, friends. Is it March already? Starting to smell like spring. You know what that means. It's sugar shack season in the Northeast. Maple syrup is starting to flow. So today I'm making one of my favorite all-time desserts. We're making poor man's pudding in the Forno Venetzia. I have to be honest, the first time I tried this recipe in the Forno Venetzia, I was a little bit nervous. Fire, live flame, fat, and sugar, it's a dangerous mix. Which means you need to control your fire. Which means after a beautiful day of making pizzas after pizzas in your Forno Venetzia and the fire is starting to cool down, now is the time to make this wonderful, super easy, super good dessert. Why is it called a poor man's pudding? Well, it's a rough translation. It's a typical recipe from Quebec, which in French is called pudding chômeur. We repeat, chômeur. Chômeur. You know what a chômeur is? It's a person without a job. It's a very easy, it used to be a very cheap recipe, but today we're making the rich man's pudding version with a whole entire can of maple syrup. So for some of you, this might be a luxurious dessert. With this, let's get started. The recipe goes like this. You know that great maple syrup and cream mixture you made? Put that in the Forno Venetzia. When it starts to bubble, give it a little stir. Once the syrup is nice and hot, add the batter. Put it back in the oven. When the batter starts getting nice and golden, cover, and after about 20 minutes, you get this beauty. Insert a toothpick to make sure it's cooked. A little bit of pudding, some ice cream, and that, my friends, is the perfect dessert.